Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the No Man's Sky error code 1516200X1482DST 7656119841011752. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game. Players shared that the game crashes a few seconds after launching. According to our research, this error may be caused by general issues, interference from third-party programs, or outdated drivers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to shut down your PC, then turn off the PSU. After that, press and hold the power button a few times. This helps drain any residual electricity, which can sometimes cause issues like this. Then power on your system and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try validating the game files on Steam. Simply open Steam and go to your library, then right-click on No Man's Sky and select Properties, and then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the process is done, check for the error again. If the error continues, then start by uninstalling the OBS and FPS monitor programs. Also, make sure to delete their respective folders. Remove the following paths. C. Program files x86, steam/steamapps/common/fps monitor. C/program data/fps monitor. Note: program data is a hidden folder, so make sure it's visible. After removing them, restart your PC and run the game again. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, then update your GPU drivers. Go to nvidia.com/NUS drivers and download the latest version for your GPU. During the installation, choose the custom option and select Clean Installation. Once installed, check if the error still comes. If the error doesn't resolve, then uninstall programs like Twitch and RTSS. After uninstalling, restart your PC and then try running the game. At last, if the error still persists, then try turning off anti-aliasing in the game settings. Once disabled, relaunch the game and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.